it's JD and FIA. I'm going to show you the 62514 in the key of D flat. All right, so we're in D flat. D flat's our 1, E flat's our 2, F is our 3, G flat's our 4, A flat's our 5, B flat's our 6, C is our 7. All right, and back to D flat, our 1. All right, correct fingering. All right, D flat major. All right, so 62514. Where would we use this? Coming out of don't give up on God. He's able, because He won't give up on you. Right there. Or you can do the tritone sub. All right, we'll talk about that. Also, you can do it on like a no weapon formed against me shall prosper. All right, so it works on that. Anytime you got to go from the 6 to the 4, pretty much, I believe you can use that chord progression. Once again, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4, and this is in D flat. All right, so the first chord we're gonna play our 6 is gonna be a B flat minor chord. Left hand B flat, right hand I'm playing A flat, C, D flat, F. 6, 2. Playing E flat. What's that? E flat 13. Left hand E flat, right hand G, C, D flat, F. The only thing I did was took the A flat that was here on my 6th chord and dropped it down to G. Alright, 6, 2, alright, 5. We're gonna go to an A flat minor. Alright, A flat minor. Left hand I'm playing A flat, E flat. Right hand G flat, B flat, B, E flat. Alright, that's our 5 chord, 6, 2, 5. Normally on the 5 we play it as a major, but in this case you're gonna play it as a minor. 6, 2, 5. And then when you go to the 1, you're gonna do the same thing you did when you went from the B flat to the E flat. You're just gonna drop your thumb. So I'm on the 6, 2, see, I'm on 6, 2, 5. I'm on 5. All right. All I'm going to do is drop my thumb from G flat down to F. All right. And it's going to give me my D flat 13. All right. So I got D flat on my left hand, right hand F, B flat, B, E flat. So that's my 6, 2, 5, 1, and then 4. Going to a G flat major chord, G flat major 7 in this case. Left hand G flat, D flat. Right hand F, A flat, D flat. I'm sorry, F, A flat, B flat, D flat. 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. All right. I can also do tritone sub. So a tritone sub is when instead of playing the chord, instead of playing a specific chord, you play the chord that's a tritone away. All right. So if I'm going 6, 2, all right. If I take the chord that's a tritone away from, or the note that's a tritone away from the E flat, all right, it's going to be 3 whole steps. So E flat to F is 1, and then F to G is 2, G to A is 3. So 3 whole steps. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Tritone. All right, so that note that's a tritone away. All right, I'm gonna play that note in the chord instead, and it's gonna be a half step below the B flat here. So now instead of going 6, 2, I can say 6, 2. All right, play the 5. The 1 is D flat. All right, if I go up a tritone away from D flat, all right, 3 whole steps. 1, 2, 3. That's gonna put me on A. So 6, 2. 6, 2, 5, and then the tritone for D flat is G. Play the same chord in your right hand, just switch your bass note to the 4. So 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. Or 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. And you can also combine those. So I can say 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. All right. I can also play the tritones for the other notes. So instead of playing 6, 2, all right, and then going back to my 5, I can play the tritone for the 5, which would be D. All right, and that's gonna take me to my 1. So I can say 6, 2, 5, 1, and then 4. Once again, 6, 2, 5, 1. That'll give you 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. So any one of those notes, you can play the tritone. You can play the tritone substitution. All right, instead of playing the B flat, you can play the tritone with the E. Right to it. So that changed the whole progression right there. All right. So I'm playing. So you can find the moments to put those in, but this is just a theoretical basis. Play around with that. You can come up with many different patterns. So yeah, the 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. All right, hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.